and he's going to drink it. Maybe.
Where's the pussy?
Go ahead. How's that fish poop taste?
That's good. Tastes like shit. No. Tastes like any other water.
That is...
Look it up.
I mean, look how clear the spot is.
Charlie comes down here. I think this is Charlie's Sprite. He's going to say, "Is this my Sprite?" I don't know. Sprite was left down here, but I'm drinking it.
That's not Sprite.
He's not. Oh shit.
It was good.